Well, we got Old Faithful out, and we're on the way to go to town to get some gas for her. But I got a few things in the back I want to take to the landfill, because they're supposed to get a foot of snow out of all this, and I need the truck to put the snow blower in. And there's some confidential stuff we might have to do on Saturday with the truck. Kind of a secret mission thing. We can't really talk about it quite yet, so that is all coming up in the works. So we'll take a little look out the window. Well, we made it up here to the landfill. Nothing exciting in the dumpster yet. You always gotta check and see what they got. Christmas lights and a vacuum. Garbage. Garbage. A life jacket. Okay, well, I got everything unloaded at the landfill here. Go see what the bill is they got rung up, and then we're gonna head out of here. See when we get home. Well, we got her back in the little carport there. The Harbor Freight tarp is holding out mighty well for the $10 or whatever it was. Fred is ready to go in the house, aren't you, Fred? You wanna go inside? You wanna go in the house? You wanna go inside? You wanna go inside? Yeah, so we got the four-wheeler out and the bobcat and plowed the snow, and it's still snowing, so hopefully you guys have yourself a good day, and hopefully it's not snowing where you are, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.